All right, folks, here comes San Joaquin train 712. Your southbound destination of this train is Bakersfield. Now passing by my hometown. Now this is it. Here it comes now. I believe this is a 7-car train. Here she comes. Let's see what's leading. Cabcar. And I-59 PHI 2003. Nice. 8311 Mount Palomar with I-59 PHI 2003. Nice. There she goes south to Bakersfield. We'll continue on to Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connection services towards Southern California, including downtown LA's Union Station in Los Angeles. Nice. Hear the horn from Cabcar 8311. Yep. Nice. Live in my hometown in Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. And also, one more thing. Heads up, Ethan the rail fanner. That train is on your way. All right, till next time, guys. See ya.